Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Ready to create an eye-catching football poster in just a few easy steps? First, click Create, then type Poster. Select the Landscape Poster option to start designing your layout. Open the tutorial, then go to Templates. Search for the football poster template. Select the template to start customizing your design quickly and easily, saving time while creating a professional-looking football poster for your project or event. Explore this area to find quality templates. Try using these options to see what fits your needs. Select a template that best suits your project to get started efficiently. To create a football poster, start by adding elements relevant to the theme. Click to insert images or graphics, then type football players in the search bar to find suitable visuals. Arrange the elements to enhance your poster's design effectively. Use a real photo for your design. To enhance it, try adding this example. It looks good and complements your project well. Experiment with different photos and designs to find the best combination for your needs. To watch soccer, open the Sports app and select the Soccer category. Browse available matches or highlights, then click to start streaming. Remember, soccer is different from football, so choose the correct option for your preferred sport. Type the theater image name here. Try entering this one. Once entered, click Done. The image now appears as expected. This confirms the action was successful. If needed, adjust the selection or repeat the process to find the perfect image. When satisfied with the choice, proceed to finalize your project. This simple update keeps your content visually appealing. Always double-check the image before finishing to ensure correctness. Following these steps will help maintain consistency in your work. Click Done to complete and save your changes. Your updated theater image is now set. Explore your project to find additional elements that enhance the design. Select suitable options that complement the existing layout, ensuring visual harmony. Incorporate these elements thoughtfully to improve overall aesthetics and user experience. This approach strengthens the impact and appeal of your final presentation. In the Elements tab, you can add various items to your design. Try adding text or a location marker to customize your layout. You can also include your contact number for easy reference. Simply select the desired element, place it where you want, and edit the details to suit your needs. This enhances your design's functionality and appearance. When your design is complete, click Share, then Download. Save your file as a PDF for optimal printing quality. For professional results, choose the MYK option before downloading. This ensures the best print output. Use these settings to prepare your design properly, whether for home or professional printing services. Now you know how to make a football match poster in Canva-like, and subscribe for more creative tips.